Before jumping in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our weekly uploads. Today we're going to learn how to repot a Venus flytrap. We're going to be using Perfect Plant's organic carnivorous plant soil mix. Acidity and moisture are two of the most important factors to keep in mind when caring for a carnivorous plant. Our soil mix uses organic perlite, sand, and organic peat moss. This ensures proper soil moisture and drainage and provides the proper rooting environment to support a thriving carnivorous plant. This specific soil is specially made to be lower in nutrients because Venus flytraps will typically feed on mosquitoes, flies, or other flying insects. Now let's get into the repotting. Make sure you're choosing a pot that has some depth to it, considering that a Venus flytrap's root system can grow fairly deep. We recommend a pot with drainage holes. This will help with watering later. Once you have your plant, your pot, and your soil, it's time to get to planting. Fill your new pot about halfway with your soil mixture, moisten it slightly, and dig a small hole in the dirt. This is where you're going to place your plant. Next, carefully remove the Venus flytrap from its original pot. Be sure that you're handling the plant near the root ball rather than the flytraps themselves. These are quite fragile plants, so it's important to be gentle when removing it. Now, gently massage the root ball to break away any of its old soil and expose the roots. Place your Venus flytrap into the new pot and carefully backfill with soil. Pat it gently around the root ball so that it's fully covered. Next, place your pot in a shallow bowl of water. This will allow the plant to suck up as much water as it needs and keep the soil moist. This is why the drainage holes are important. Place your plant in an area that receives direct sunlight and be sure to keep an eye on its water level as it prefers moist soil. Remember not to fertilize your carnivorous plants. The insects they feed on provide enough nutrients to supplement fertilization. We hope this video helped you. Comment any questions regarding plant care down below. Until next time, happy planting!